Next up, Crunch for White Lotus. In this we need to complete 8 contracts in under 15 minutes. This is relatively easy, there's a lot more time here, but also a lot more missions to do. Previously we had to finish 4 in 6 minutes, so this is a little bit more time, which should hopefully make things a bit easier. I'll be trying on Vondel as there's a high concentration of challenges and missions to do here, but it is still difficult nonetheless. So we'll take in some good gear, but of course we will need to travel quickly, so it's a good idea to have a vehicle with you, or of course maybe put your sniper and things like that make you run slow in your backpack so you can run with your fists out. Anything to optimize and micromanage your time. Okay, there we go, we're back. So we'll do 8 missions as fast as possible. Starting down here, we can do the secure nuclear material mission pretty quickly, but you need the tool to get that started, and that's usually found far away compared to the actual mission itself. HVT missions are relatively quick, so are these little signals intelligence missions, so we can do maybe just HVT missions. 1 followed by a signals intelligence, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Yeah, we'll definitely need to get the nuclear material contract in order to get the device that we need for it. I'm going to need to do these as close together as possible, simply because when I start one, I'll need to wait the full 15 minutes for this timer to reset, meaning as soon as I pick up a contract, it starts. I can't just cancel it and go again after picking up the items that we need, unless we maybe find them here, for example, but that I doubt. Okay, let's grab this nuclear materials mission so we can grab the item that we need from it. This we can pull out with us and use in the next game. For example, as you can see, this spawned on the complete opposite side of the map, but at least the nuclear material that we need to find should be a bit closer than the actual item itself to get this mission going. That's why I recommend preparing earlier rather than later. Obviously, we'll be replacing our tactical with this item, so if you're carrying something like spotter scopes for a different mission, just keep in mind that you will be dropping them. There we go, so we'll grab it here, and now the nuclear material should be marked on the map for us. Now, as I'm simply extracting and resetting, whether you want to take this or not is up to you, but anyways. Right, so now that we have every item we need, we'll extract, reset, and try again. Just make sure you keep this Geiger counter on you. We will be using it next game. There we go, so let's reset and try again. Okay, so once again, going in very light, all we'll do is just go for it. So back to Vondel we go, this time keeping our Geiger counter on us. So we'll grab a fast vehicle like maybe a electric Hummer, or of course one of those new tactical amphibious vehicles to get around the map faster, and we'll just go from mission to mission, doing mostly HVT contracts and the nuclear material missions. Those are nice and quick. So 15 times 60 divided by 8, we have 112 seconds to do each mission. That's just under 2 minutes. Definitely not a huge amount of time. Okay, zooming in, we have 2 HVTs here, 1 here. We can probably do signals intelligence, then the HVT mission, followed by the nuclear materials. Then I'm not quite sure. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I don't know, that's difficult. We'll start by doing this signals intelligence mission here, as it should be nice and quick with these 3 items all next to each other. We can also do one up here if needs be, but of course these missions aren't quicker than the one that we're going to do here. Running around with bare fists or a pistol is probably the best thing to do here, unless you have a finely tuned weapon for this. We need speed. Obviously, a little terrible hatchback is not the best vehicle, but it's faster than running, so we'll take it. And unfortunately, we joined a player's team here, but regardless, we'll see if we can do this quickly. So obviously the map is about 20 minutes long, which doesn't leave much time to do this mission. You need to start doing it as soon as possible. Okay, so we'll start by doing this mission here. Right, so we'll go, mark the next part of this mission, and go straight for it. Okay, so here is 1, we'll mark the next one. This is number 2, there we go, and this is number 3. This isn't the order that I wanted to do them in, but it's the order I ended up doing them in because of these stupid AI in my way. Okay, so let's go ahead and start with this limited HVT contract here. We'll grab it and hopefully head in the general direction of the HVT, but we don't know. Let's go for high ground, and it's all the way over there. That is not very good. That's far away from where we want to be. Anyway, we are a bit ahead of time for now at least, so... Oh, and obviously I should have taken a vehicle, but I didn't. That's definitely not good. Okay, well, instead of finding the HVT, we just found a bunch of his friends over here. It's not very good. And there we go, there's the HVT. So we'll get rid of them, finish off this mission, and head across for the next one as soon as possible. Okay, so we'll go for maybe this signals intelligence down there. Once Once again, not what we were planning for, but it's happening, so we'll do it as fast as possible. Then we'll maybe go for the nuclear materials mission nearby there. That I don't know. And obviously being slowed down by AI is not something you want to do. So we'll grab this next one and this third one. This one is next door and upstairs. No, never mind, it's just here. There we go. And we'll quickly do this as this is a nuclear materials mission. Sweet. So it'll mark these two for us wherever they may be. Oh, okay. It didn't mark anything for us. Did that count? It did. Okay, that's a glitch, but I'll take it. Whatever. Let's try this one. Okay, no, this one isn't done. All right, well, we'll head over there. All right, let's quickly find this one here. I think it's in the bush down in this direction, if I remember correctly. Oh, that's right. It's up in the corner here. Okay, there we go. We'll grab that. Quickly head across to the next one. This one I think is in the water somewhere down here. There we go. Right, now we need to quickly head across to another mission. We'll do this eliminate HVT quickly. Okay, we'll quickly grab this and head across in the general direction of hopefully the next HVT. Perfect. That's the next HVT done. We'll quickly confirm the kill here, or at least wherever the HVT is. There we go. Now we need to get the heck out of here. Now we need to find another contract to do. This is a little difficult as we're in the middle of nowhere and there's tons and tons of bots around us. Ouchie. And I think we have maybe one more mission to do. Yeah, actually we've really killed it for time. Sweet. So hopefully we can finish this off. As long as the scavenger isn't in the area, we should be fine passing through here. He usually spawns around here. Yeah, cool, things seem fine so far. Cool. Grabbing this mission. Let's see where we need to go. Probably into the stadium right next door. Great. And would you look at that? There's the HVT. Mission is done. And with that, this challenge is complete. Hopefully, 7 out of 8. Nope, never mind. Okay, let's go for another one. And of course, we're being targeted as well. That's cool. Okay, so we'll grab this one here. And it's probably down by the cruise terminal. Let's see. Yes, it is. Sweet. I think that's it. Was it? Yes. And mission's complete. Cool. Crunch for White Lotus is now done. That's great. So, thank you all for watching. My name's been Troubleshoot, and I'll see you all next time. Ciao.